Welcome to stylish Deluxe 2BR Duplex. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to share this incredible hotel with you. First things first, if you're watching this on your phone, you might want to get your camera ready. See that QR code popping up on the screen right now?
Scan it.
It'll take you straight to their website, so you can start planning your dream getaway immediately. Okay? So picture this. You're in London, right near the buzzing Canary Wharf. Think sleek buildings, amazing restaurants, and everything at your doorstep. This is where the stylish Deluxe 2BR Duplex comes in. Seriously, it's a dream. This place is all about a modern, chic vibe. It's like stepping into a design magazine. The whole atmosphere is so fresh and inviting, you'll immediately feel relaxed and ready to explore. Now, let's talk about the actual experience. This isn't just a hotel, it's a stylish home away from home. Being a duplex, you'll have loads of space to spread out. The rooms are designed with you in mind, comfortable, elegant, and functional. If you're traveling for work or just want your own space, there's a dedicated workspace, which is a total game changer. And hey, you'll also find amenities that'll make your stay even easier. They've got free Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected and share all your amazing London adventures, and a washer in case you need to do any laundry. Plus, a huge plus, free parking. Finding parking in London can be a nightmare, so this is a serious win. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., which gives you plenty of time to settle in, and checkout is at 11 a.m., which is super convenient since it gives you a bit of a lie-in. Also, I should note, kids are welcome, but do come with an extra fee. Honestly, this place ticks all the boxes. Whether you're visiting for business or fun, the stylish Deluxe 2BR Duplex gives you the perfect base to explore everything London has to offer. So, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to scan that QR code and book your stay. I promise you won't regret it.